Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check apps connected to your Instagram account on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to check any of apps is connecting to your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just open Instagram. So now in Instagram, just click on this more option under your profile at the left side. Just click on more and then click on settings. And now in settings, just click on account center and here just select connected experiences. Click on this and then click on sharing across profile. So here you will see if you have any connected service or any connected app to your account. So you can see I haven't any connected app or any connected service, but if you have, so you might get it here. Or you can also click on this logging in with accounts if you want to log in your Instagram account in any other app. So you can also use this feature from here. So in this way, you can easily check your connected services or linked connected experiences to your Instagram accounts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.